Hello everyone, my name is Sunesh. My group members are David and Sadra. Today we are here to present our Hi-Fi prototype for assignment 3. Before we begin, let's look at the user stories that we have covered using our Hi-Fi prototypes. The first user story is Sadra and Christine want to be able to search for available scenic routes so they can decide on a route. And the second one is Sadra and Christine want to add their preferences to the application so they can choose a route that suits the majority. So let's look at our initial prototype. This is the homepage of our first Hi-Fi prototype. You can see the title displayed at the top and some quick navigation buttons to the common pages. Destination options are displayed after that. So following our user story, we would click long drive. Let's choose beaches as our destination. Here we can see the nearest beaches. Let's click Bigola Beach. After that, it will show you the beach description along with nearby attractions. Let's click Start Route. Then you will get a pop-up dialog asking you if you want to continue. You would press yes to begin the navigation. So that's the end of our first Hi-Fi prototype. Let's look into the improvements. So let's start with the home screen. The first thing we can notice is that the icons are placed properly with spacing between the two icons. Also, you can notice that we have modified the position of our quick access buttons. So we have back button on the left and help and settings button on the right. With the long drive menu, again we have rearranged the buttons so it's easier to press. Also, we have put the quick navigation buttons on the left so it is easily accessible. With the beach description menu, the second prototype shows the map which could help the driver to plan the route. Also in the second prototype, you can see the beach name of the selected beach which was missing in the first one. Apart from other minor changes, these are the major changes you can see in our second prototype. With all these changes, our prototype has become much more user-friendly. With the improved prototype, we conducted the expert evaluation and found some more defects in the prototype. So let's see what the changes are. So let's look at the destination page. We have added a search bar on the top so that you can add more destination options. We have also added quick navigation icons on the left, which was missing in the second prototype. Also, we have added a filter option at the bottom which can be used to filter the search items according to the distance. In the third prototype, we have added a nearby attractions page which shows all the nearby attractions with its distance in the selected route. Also, this page allows the user to mark these attractions so that it can be shown in the map. In the third prototype, we have added a 3D navigation system which can be toggled from the 2D map. This helps the user to keep track of all the surrounding attractions. This also improves the navigation as it gives the user more details of the route. This concludes the evaluation of our prototypes. Let's watch the stop motion video created by David of our third prototype in action.
Hello everyone, my name is David. My group members are Sunish and Sadra, and today we will be presenting our Hi-Fi prototypes. Before we get started, these are the user stories that the user will try to achieve when navigating through our prototypes. So Sadra and Christine want to be able to search for available scenic routes so they can decide on a route. And Sadra and Christine also want to add their preferences to the application so they can choose a route that suits the majority. So this is the main page of our final prototypes. Based off the user story, the user would select long drive. The long drive page provides the user with different route category options. These options could be beach, restaurant, forest, or nightlife. The user could also click on the load more button to show more options, or could even use the search bar to specifically search for a category that they would want to decide on. Say if a user selects beach, this page would show up, showing the different beach routes that are available to the user. There is also a filter as well to sort by closest distance, longest distance, or most popular. This feature can be particularly useful for, say, if the user wants to click load more to see all of the available options. A search bar feature is also available for users that want to particularly search for a beach. Once a particular beach is selected, a map is shown to the user, showing the route directly from where you are to the destination. Nearby attractions is also shown in case for the user's interest. And also there is also a start directions option for if the user wants to if the user is happy with the route and if they want to start the navigation. If the user wants to adjust any settings, they could always click on the settings icon available on every single page. And these are all the settings that are available to the user. That'll be all. Thanks for watching.